jib is performing pretty good. We have it reefed about halfway, and there's a pretty good sized tear in it already. The wind hasn't died below 20 knots, so I can't take the sail down to fix it. One good thing about that laminate is it doesn't rip real easily, so it's handling it. It's just got to last another 250 miles. It will. The main's going beautifully. It's double reefed right now, and we're doing about 8 or 9 knots average towards Cartagena. We're making really good time. We made 180 miles yesterday.
Did you catch us some dinner?
Yeah, I caught dinner. Here you go. Here's the head of a dolphin fish that was eaten by a shark. Shark got my dolphin dinner. Dude, that would have been a good dinner too for both of us. We made it to Cartagena, thank God. That was a rough sail. That was definitely the longest and the roughest sail I've ever seen. We were like 20-foot seas, broke the baby stay, ripped the jib. There was 800 gallons of water in the freaking locker, but we made it. We're still floating. So the tools were in that locker. I filled this tub with fresh water, and I put all of the tools in it to soak. Also, my outboard was in that locker. It's in another tub with fresh water soaking, and had been for a few days. There was serious water intrusion in this locker. Not sure what I'm gonna do about that hatch yet. We named the Rip Steve.
Why Steve?
I don't know, just because I like that name for the Rip. It had gotten a lot bigger. The baby stay is completely screwed. I have to replace it. There's 6 cables broken on it. The bolt sheared on the support for the stairs, and we had about 500 to 800 gallons of water intruded into the forward port locker. If you guys haven't seen that yet, there's a whole episode about that, episode 16. That was scary. The boat has a venting system. We always close those when we go out to sea. This is one of the vents, and had that open, we would have been in a lot more trouble. The main ripped in the reefing points, in addition to delaminating below the first reef. If I put the whole main up, it's just gonna rip apart. Even the reef line, look, where it goes through the kringle, that's ripping too. The boat was doing 14 knots, and it was freaking crazy in 10-foot seas. And then the next day, we reefed it down twice, and we were seeing 20-foot seas. Crazy. There's a lot of work to do. A lot of work. But it's all stuff I can fix. And we're out of the hurricane zone, so we can stay here for a month and fix the boat. See what Cartagena has to offer us. At least we made it, man. Look at that. So it's like 100 degrees out here, and this is the second time I've taken this thing apart. And I'm really not happy about this. I'm hot. We're in Cartagena and stuck on the boat. We couldn't even get off the boat last night. And you know why? One bolt. Look, that little guy is the reason it wouldn't start.
Huh.
It wasn't tight enough. Look, it almost started. Alright, that's all I needed. I just wanted to document me being a little pissed off and sweaty as hell and stuck in Cartagena, Colombia, working on my motor. Don't let your motor get under the water.
So why was the outboard underwater in the first place?
I mean, it was really your fault, I think. But the aftermath of that was a lot of dirty and broken stuff. Cordless drill. Kind of messed up. My cordless, what was that, Dremel tool, dead. All my Ryobi tools, dead. But pretty much all of the DeWalt tools are good. And thank God my angle grinder, man, I need that. That's the one thing you know on boat is an angle grinder. I bet it'll run like a kitten now. It'll purr. Cross your fingers. All right.
Cartagena, here we come.
Gotta be honest, I didn't really know what Cartagena was gonna be all about, and I thought it was gonna be really old with not a lot of stuff, but it's huge. There's skyscrapers everywhere, and there's a big mall. And there's even a Mac store here, which is crazy. So check it out. This place is the real deal. It's got everything. Mac store, clothing. Wow, didn't expect this. So we're gonna go buy a computer, because my computer took a Rogue Wave and I don't have one anymore. So, but I need something good enough for video editing, so I can't just buy anything. I tried to use a friend's computer and it was so slow. It was like making me pull my hair out, you know? So 3 guys with guns, like drawn, just came in the mall and went into the Mac store. And I'm about to go in there. I don't know what they're doing, so we're gonna check it out. What the hell are those guys doing? That's craziness. So that's the newest MacBook Pro. They want $99.5 million for it. This is the base model too. Online it's $2,400, so they want another $600 for it. That's a lot of money. Alright, this is really upsetting. I waited here for 2 hours for this damn place to open up, and they want $2 million more for a new MacBook here than the one online, and there's nowhere to order one. I don't even know what to do. Seriously, this looks and smells like a submarine. I don't know where they got this stuff, but look at this.
Is this authentic?
This is awesome. Seriously, someone would have to spend months on eBay for all this crazy shit. What are we watching?
Russian television, I guess. Some kind of Discovery Channel that hosts the president.
This place is a reproduction of a Russian submarine. It's pretty dope. It even smells real. I don't know where they got all this crap, but it's pretty awesome.